Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called vertical marketplace. Sell a niche product or service to your valuable customers. Vertical marketplaces aimed at a single market sector to serve some specific category of products to the targeted audience. Thus becomes a master in it. Vertical marketplace do not offer wide variety of products and services but focus on a niche to offer a specific product category. Thus, in order to become master in specific e-commerce sector, you need to integrate your e-commerce business vertically. Exceptional benefits of having a vertical marketplace could be you have just one industry to focus on, minimal target audience to fulfill the needs. Moreover, you have all the time to prepare marketing strategy by focusing in just one direction, showcase your products in the best possible way, become a master of a specific e-commerce market sector, and much more. These are the advantages. And now, considering example, Etsy is one of a rich example that follows a vertical marketplace concept of e-commerce business model. This Brooklyn-based online artisanal marketplace typically focus on art and craft to sell. Thus, it now becomes one of the leading marketplace for handcrafts and vintage items. Undoubtedly, vertical marketplace have to focus on a specific market. You will have a small customer base that may limit the potential customer who are actually interested in your brand. So if you are sure that the market you choose has much scope of its growth in the future, you can go for this vertical marketplace. Thanks for watching. Bye.